This is why the Prophet ﷺ said, "Man ahabba liqa Allah." Whoever loves to meet Allah, ahabba Allahu liqa'ah. Allah loves to meet them. Can you imagine Allah loves to meet you if you desire to meet Him? Can you imagine this? People ask all the time, if Allah loves me, then why does He test me? If Allah loves me, then why doesn't He just give me a good time? Why doesn't He just give me enjoyment? Why does Allah test me if He loves me? The Prophet ﷺ answers this question himself. Inna ashadda an-nasi bala'an al-anbiya. The people with the worst of tests were the prophets. ثم الأمثل فالأمثل. And then the greatest of people have the worst of tests. وَإِنَّ اللَّهَ إِذَا أَحَبَّ عَبْدًا ابْتَلَاهُ. Because Allah, when He loves someone, He tests them. Because only by passing the test do you raise in your ranks on the Day of Judgment.